Hi, I'm Dr. David Morris, and I'm the founder and CEO of Magnolia Medical Centers. I want to welcome you to our brand new state-of-the-art facility. We are Middle Tennessee's largest medically integrated natural healthcare clinic and have been serving thousands of patients since 2012. We have a team of providers who are fully dedicated to helping patients get well without the use of drugs and surgery. Our team's primary goal is to find the underlying root cause of the problem or issue and solve it without medication or surgery. We believe that given the chance, and if the proper tools are utilized, a body is able to repair itself, and our patients' results prove that theory. Our brand new facility in Murfreesboro, Tennessee is full with the most robust and state-of-the-art equipment and modalities that are designed to help the body heal and repair. With our team of providers in these modalities, we are taking the next step in responsible pain management to help people avoid and get off addictive medications, avoid long-term use of non-addictive medications, and avoid unnecessary surgical procedures. Thank you for watching this short office tour video, and we hope to see you in the clinic soon.